Hello, friends. It is Denise from Loving Life at, I got to pull my sleeves up, 60ish. And my Etsy shop is fairyrosecottage.etsy.com. I have it. This is the December kit. Yes, it's January, but good things are worth waiting for, right? And I was determined to get this done. One, because I'm trying to meet those goals that I'm quietly setting for myself. And two, it is going to be my way to start saving for Christmas 2026. Now, it is one of the box kits like I've been doing August, September, October, November, and now December. September's was the princess kit. October was Wicked. Let's see, August was the princess kit. September was Wicked. October was Villains. And November was Up. And so this is the last one in this series. However, I'm going to use it and play it separately from the rest of them because, like I said, it is going to be part of my holiday savings for 2026. I believe I'm going to do this kit on a live each month. That's one of my goals. And I used to do the villain kit. We had villain night and we had adventure night back before Scott got so sick that I couldn't do that any longer. And so I think we're going to have holiday savings night. My lives usually lasted about 2 hours, but you can come and go. And it was a lot of chatting and a lot of fun. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to get back in and do that again. So my first live is tentatively set for Saturday evening. My schedule is so changey. Like, I really never know what is actually happening. Like, someone just drove in. Oh, I think it's the mail people. The post office. I've been waiting on a package since before Christmas. It did not arrive. And it was a big, long thing. But I believe that it is here. There's actually 2 packages, and one of them looks like it's not going to arrive, and Amazon is refunding my money at this point. Anyway, I'm going to try to do a live this Saturday night. It would be from 6 to about 8. If that is going to happen, I will be putting a live placeholder up within a day or two of it. And so that's exciting, I think. But so this is a Christmas themed kit. And I know I say this a lot that, this is my favorite. So Up really is my favorite kit that I made from August until now. But this, I loved the villains and I loved Wicked and I loved the princesses. But this is it, you guys. I love this one. It is Mickey and Friends. And it's the same type of setup as I have been doing. So we have these 3. Aren't those adorable? And yes, these white scratches are supposed to be in this image. It's just giving a old photo look to it. So we have Mickey and Pluto and then Mickey. And on the backs of these is the box kits. And I used kind of, not generic, but I used Christmas icons. And of course, these are Christmas. But they're decorating the tree, so I wanted to use ornaments. And then he's just all ready for Christmas, so I tried to find some watercolor images to use on that one. And then this one, they have their 2 little sweaters on, so I wanted to mimic those sweaters and the fact that Pluto is there. So that's the box kit. With it, I mean the box part of it. With it, you get 6, 12, 18 cards that match these. So there's Santa and the snowman. These haven't been shuffled, so the sleigh and the reindeer and the gingerbread and the packages and so on. And these will be, you know, shuffled, and then you draw one and you get the pink ornament. And then there are 8 cards in this kit. Now, every kit had at least 8 cards. The first one had even more than that. And so these build upon those cards. These cards in this kit are simple, very simple. And a lot of the cards are not very simple. I don't think I have any of them out here. You know, they might be roll 3 dice, save the smallest amount, or roll 4 dice, save the total, things like that. These are all very simple. Like I said, it's a save $6, a save $1. So if you want more cards, then you got to order the other kits. I mean, that's kind of the bottom line. These kits, although this is a December kit, it can be used any time of the year, right? The same with the villain kit or the up kit. They don't have to be used in November or October. They just happen to come out at that time. So we have a save $2, a save $8. It's 1 through 8, basically. A 7, a 5, a save 4, and a save 3. I kept them this way because I'm going to be doing this separately. And however, I may add some of the other cards in as I go. It depends. But so there's the box icon cards and then the draw and pick cards. And if you have a higher budget and you want to double those, or say save $1, but you're going to roll the dice and it's 1 times 1, or whoops, 2 times 1. So whatever the dice says, it's, you know, 2 times that. 2 times 6 is $12. There's a lot of ways you can play that, right? So there's those. And then the other set of cards with adorable images. We have Mickey and the whole gang and Goofy. And these have games on the back of them. So this one is Shut the Christmas Light. Instead of Shut the Box, Shut the Christmas Light. And it is a smaller version of it. So you're still going to roll 2 dice. 9, so I'd cross out the 6 and the 3. 11, I'd be hard pressed to be able to do anything on that. But you can also do it just rolling 1 dice if you want. So cross out the 6 and the 5 and the 2 and then the 4 and the 1. And the 3, I just shut the lights off, right? So, I think, we'll say I did. So, anyway, you can play it both ways. You can roll 2 dice until you get up to 1. You know, if you've only got the number 1 left, you're going to have to roll 1 dice. That's just the way it is. So there's Shut the Christmas Light. There is Plinko Friends. It's a simple Plinko game where you do a 4 and a 3 and a 5 and a 2 and a 2 and a 6, and I'm going to save $6. So there's Plinko. And then tic-tac-toe, which I absolutely love, you guys. And I mean, very easy. Cross out a 1, a 3. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. X would be a 1, 3 would be an O, or this one. 4 would be an X. So X and O's. And you decide before you even start how much your X, if your X's win, how much that's going to be worth. And if your O's win, how much that's going to be worth. And I would probably do like $5 and $8 or something like that. Must be a plane going by too. So those, that is the Maine kit. And you also get a Saving in December dashboard. Very bright purple because of the purple in the packages. And then, of course, we have the add-ons. So we always have minis. And I love these. Look at that. She's kissing him. And this is the whole gang. We've even got Chip and Dale. Do you know how to tell Chip and Dale apart? So Chip has the dark nose because it's like a chocolate chip. And so this is save 60. And this is you decide how much the circles are going to be worth. And then this is a save 50. And you'll notice that I didn't cut the edges off from these. They would be cut off for yours. Originally, I was going to hole punch everything. I may still, I haven't decided, and put it all on a binder clip. So that I, or I have one more of these boxes somewhere. And maybe I'll just put them in a separate box to keep them separate. But, so there is one of the add-ons. And then the second add-on, or this might be the first add-on, I can't remember, is always, always some type of scratch off. So remember with Up, we did, some really cool small wallet size 9 scratch offs, which are printed on one page. I want to put these here. So this time I did the standard scratch offs. We have Joy. Look at that. Now this says save 40. It's really 45. It's really save 40. So I will go back and fix that before I start printing them for everybody, all the orders. And then this is the gang, save 60. Denominations are 2 through 10. And then the third one is the gang again. And this is a save 50, and the denominations are 1 through, I think, 6. It's hard to read that, but I think it's 6. So that is everything. We've got the main kit. We've got add-ons. We've got the binder, the A6 binder card. And then if you, again, these aren't cut. Well, one of them is, but the other one I left room on the left because I was going to, like I said, punch holes in them, but I don't think I'm going to do that. So if you purchase just the kit, you will get a freebie. And if you purchase the entirety of it, the kit and the 2 add-ons, you'll get 2 freebies. I don't know which one you'll get if you purchase just the kit, but you will get one of these. And then if you purchase everything, you'll get both. So look at that. my colors, pink, right? So this is roll a dice and save. You know, that's the, you roll the dice, it's a 5, you cross out the 5, you save $5. And this freebie is a roll and save, which basically you roll the dice, you got a 2, you put a 2, or you color in the snowflake, maybe you don't write how much it was, and you put the $2 in the envelope. So it is done, completed, except I got to change this joy to save 40. But other than that, I feel like I, finished my goal from back in August of doing a kit a month. Now, obviously, this was supposed to come out in December and it did not. But it really doesn't matter because I am going to start using it now. And I'm really excited about that. I wondered if I had a box in here. I guess I don't. I don't know where. I thought I had one extra box. I'll have to look. So this will be up in the shop probably by the time you see this video. It'll be there. And it starts out at the lower price, and then the price gets bumped up after I sell a certain amount of them. And all the other kits, August through November, are also up in the shop. You can still get them. If you get them, you do pay shipping on all of them, but say you order this kit and 2 others, you're going to get a little bit of money back for shipping, or if the shipping is enough to send it priority, then I will do that. But either way, even though you'd be paying that shipping up front, it is combined, and I either refund or ship out priority mail. Now, the priority mail, if it's over a certain weight, it has to go out priority mail. So we don't even have a choice on that. All right, folks, I am so excited to do this. I'll keep you updated on Saturday. I'm going to really try to do it. I don't have anything happening right now, and so I'm hoping to do that. Fingers crossed. If not, the thing is I'm just going to continue to give myself so much grace, and that means I'm not committing to it until the day basically comes, because I do find that sometimes, you know, one of my kids say, hey, can you do this, or do you want to do this? And I'm not in the mindset or position or heart to say no right now, because being with my family and my close friends is so very important. So we will just sort of play it by ear, because being here is so very important also. All right, folks, I will see you real soon. I hope you love it. I hope you love it. Yeah. All right. Take care. Bye. Happy savings.